Have you ever wondered how a radar room thrum became a hero in your kitchen doorframe as the clock strikes 6? The invention of the microwave in 1945 didn't just heat leftovers, it rewired the way busy workers ate by offering fast, protein-rich options without heavy carbs. In the following years, offices became test kitchens as compact meals slice minutes off prep while keeping nutrition sharp and lean. This hidden shift kept pace with frantic schedules, reshaping modern quick meals into crisp, approachable routines. Finally, the microwave turned every desk drawer into a doorway to healthier choices without sacrificing time or flavor.